Hi everyone. For week five's topic brief, one of three, I have chosen The Dawn of System Leadership, an article published by the Stanford Social Innovation Review. The article defines a system leader as, quote, the deep changes necessary to accelerate progress against society's most intractable problems require a unique type of leader, the system leader, a person who catalyzes collective leadership. Being in a leadership role myself in my professional career and as a nonprofit volunteer, I have really learned to appreciate the role as it definitely does come with great responsibilities. And for me, the reward to empower and challenge others that they too can make a valuable impact. And what I loved about this illustration that's also found on the article by Paul Rogers, I see men and women raising their hands, calling to action together. In a sense, they're all leaders, leaders of their community, leaders in their home, in their professional work life. Together, I really believe in this form of leadership that you can make a difference, not by yourself, but with others that also share the same values and goals. There are three core capabilities of system leaders to foster collective leadership. The first is the capability to see the larger system. The article shares helping people see the larger system is essential to building a shared understanding of complex problems. The second is the capability to foster reflection and more generative conversations. Also, the article shares that deep shared reflection is a critical step in enabling groups of organizations and individuals to actually hear a point of view different from their own and to appreciate emotionally as well as cognitively each other's reality. And the last is the capability to shift the collective focus from reactive problem solving to co creating the future. And again, from the article, this shift involves not just building inspiring visions, but facing difficult truths about the present reality and learning how to use the tension between vision and reality to inspire truly new approaches. There are 6 guides of becoming a system leader. First, learning on the job. Growing as a system leader is a process that never ends. Second, balancing advocacy and inquiry. All change does require passionate advocates. Third, engaging people across boundaries. Operating within our own comfort zones will never lead to engaging the range of actors needed to create change. Fourth, letting go. System leaders need to have strategy, but the ones who are most effective learn to follow the energy and set aside their strategy when unexpected paths and opportunities emerge. Fifth, building one's own toolkit. The variety of helpful tools and approaches available today is large and growing, and system leaders should be knowledgeable about what is available. And lastly, working with other system leaders. You need partners who share your aspirations and challenges. This last guide also reminded me of our reading from chapter 5 of Forces for Good, where they really discuss networks being the future and being able to collaboratively work together for a common goal of creating positive change. System leaders and collective leadership can really benefit nonprofits like Breakthrough Silicon Valley and even for profit organizations. With collaboration, they're able to create more impact and scale more quickly, transform government, business, or public behavior, distribute cost, sharing of values, the peer to peer networkers, and of course, strengthening the organizational capacity. Here I've provided my references and some additional resources that I thought would be helpful in terms of expanding on the idea of system leadership. You'll see collective impact, leading systems, and system changers, which is a website that published an article called Building a Language of Systems Change. All of these are provided in my post. And I want to thank you for listening, and I look forward to listening and learning from your presentations. Have a great week.